Hari Om. Welcome back. Today we are discussing about Mentimeter. What are the uses of Mentimeter and how we can implement Mentimeter in our live classroom. So first you need to open one of website or web browser, and in search bar you can type www.mentimeter.com. So that time you can see here, you can see that interactive presentation software. Just click on this, just click on that. After clicking on interactive presentation software, immediately it will ask to log in. You can enter your email address and password, or already if you log in, you can use this option login in with Google. So just click on this, or here you can enter your email address and password, and you can click here to log in. So I'm already logged in, so I can use login with Google. So when you click on this, you can see that here you can see that Mentimeter platform. In this platform, you can see a few options. The first one is my presentation, inspiration, branding and colors. This is used for change the background colors or font color, etc. Inspiration is used for how we can create presentation using Mentimeter, some guidelines, etc. In my presentation, you can see that when you click on my presentation, see here, these are my presentation, class 11, my first presentation. So which are the presentation already you created, it will display here. And if you want to create new Mentimeter presentation, there is an option to click new presentation. You can see here one plus point, just click on this. So it will ask to create new presentation. So we should give the name of presentation. Today I will write question answer. I'm writing question answer. So just after writing the name of presentation, there is an option to click create presentation. You can click here. After clicking create option, you can see that one slide in PowerPoint presentations, you may see that slides, the same slide it will appear in platform, and the left side you can see that the type of questions, which are the type of questions we can implement in our slide using Mentimeter. So here see popular question types, multiple choice. When you just to move to this picture, you may see here which options would you choose. That means multiple choice. If you are asking question what are input devices, you will give one of the true input devices and rest all it will be wrong, or all the questions will be true, then you should verify which one is the correct statement, etc. So next one is word cloud, that means expressing their own answer. If they are asking one of the question and they can discuss in different point of view. Open-ended, this is also one of the debate. We can create debate type questions. And scale, we can rate the question, following statement, how we can rate the statement, and ranking of best, average, poor, very good. such type of question we can include here. This is a question and answer. Typing the question and the answer, we can make it which is correct answer, etc. The next option is quiz competition. Select answer, type answer. There are two types of quiz competition. So you can implement any one of from this type of question, and you can create the question with the answer, and you can send the link to student, and student can participate on here. So first one is multiple choice. While clicking on multiple choice, see here the next concept, you can see here content. That is very important. Here you should write the questions. If I write multiple choice question, so identify valid keywords. I'm writing question that identify valid keywords. So that means the students have to identify which is valid keywords. So the options, add longer description you can use, and you can insert the image using this image tag. You can click and you can upload from the desktop, or in image library you can select the image from library, and in GIF file we can include the animations. We can include here, you can see enough animations are available, you can include that. The next options, which are the options here, you can see only 3 options. If you want more option, you can add. When you click on add, you can see the option 4. If you want to delete one of the option, you can click on this and it will be removing from the list. Now you can see only 1, 2, 4. So now how to enter options here? Just click on here and you can write. I'm writing print, and the second one is hello, and the third one is 4. So only 3 options I included. If you want to use more option, you can click here and you can write input. So now next concept is how to make it correct. Which one is correct answer? Just you click on here and how the way of showing the result, show the correct answer, you can click on here. Then when you click on this, can you see here extracts show correct answers? When you click on this show correct answers, see now you see the difference. There is no one. Can you see here? Before it was one box was appeared. When I click on this, now we cannot see that. When I'm clicking on this show correct answer, you can see here one check box. Just you can, which one is correct answer? Here answer is 4. I can click on this. This is as a correct answer. Then which type of layout you want to display, bar, donut, pie, dots, you can select which you like. That is left to you. The next concept is how to send. Now one more option is customize and close voting, hide instructions bar, hide result, what time you want to close the voting, and if I click close voting, no one can answer this question. See, you can see here voting is closed, no one can answer now. So if you click put it off, then students can answer the question. So you may assign 5 minutes of time. So you will share the link when you create the slide. You will share the link to student. After 5 minutes, you can click on this to close the voting. That means afterwards, after 5 minutes, students cannot answer the questions. They cannot log into Mentimeter layout. Next concept, that is what customize, and you can choose the background. We can choose the background, and that is what multiple choice. The second option is word cloud. Here you can see identify valid keywords. I have written here. So enter per participant. They can enter entries per participant. 3 answer they can display. So when I send this link to student can answer three valid keywords. What are the three types of valid keywords? They can express their answer through this slide after sending the link. The next concept is open-ended. I told you that just one of the questions, identify valid keywords. Everyone can discuss about this answer. What do you mean by identify keywords? How to identify keywords? What are the rules? And what are the example of keywords? Which one is invalid keywords? What is valid keywords? So they can share their own answer, speech bubbles, and one by one they can enter following grid wise. You can see that here. You can see that I would like to ask the presenter. In this box, student can share their own answer. It will appear in the screen after sharing the link. The next type is scale. That is, if you ask s- uh, some of the questions that multiple choice questions only, but survey questions. These scales and ranking are survey questions, which for example, did you like online class? If you ask questions, how you understand the concept, sometimes they may say very good, good, poor. So the scaling, the survey type of questions. The last one is question and answer. When you click on question and answer, here you can write the question and student can answer this. And if you want to allow audience to see each other's questions, you can, if you click on this, student can see who other students what they are writing in the screen. They can it is one of type of cooperative learning. They can discuss each other using this platform. The next one is here. You can see that quiz competition, select answer, type answer. If you click on select answer, just you, this is same as multiple type of question. You can write the question and you can select which answer is right, and you can give the timings for this, what time they want to wind up the question votings. And if anyone is given the answer the fraction of second, they may get the more point. That is what faster correct answer get more point. If you click on this, they will get more point. So this is what just entertaining the student. We can give some of the entertainment for student while giving such type of questions using Mentimeter. So here, after creating questions, the next step is, that is how we can create the question using Mentimeter. After this, the main concept is how we can share this link to the student chat box. See here, you can see that share option. Just click on share option here. See voting link. This link can you see here? https www.menti.com 1src575ht. This is the correct voting link. So here you can you see here copy link, or you can use QR code. You can download this code and you can send in chat box, or you can copy the link. There are two options to send the link. One, we can download this QR code and you can send through WhatsApp or email address. The second option is voting link, which is appear here. You can click on copy link. Now can you see here copied? Then you can paste in chat box. This is how to send link to student. So students will receive the link when we are taking the class in chat box. Immediately the students will able to click on this link and they will come to a page, so they can start voting with which are the questions are appear in the platform. So you can rate how many of students answer the question. You can evaluate them and you can discuss with them. That is what how to share Mentimeter. The next one is present. If I click on present, the quiz will not be have a winner because no one have support clicked on here when this. Now we can see that voting is closed. How to make it change here? Just go to the customize and closing. You can choose that unhide this. The next you can present and you can start the class. This is how to implement. If you want to add one more question, you can click on add slide and you can do the same procedure what I told now. The next, if you want to go to a home page, here you can see that home button and which are the presentation you have created. It will be displaying here. Just I create a now question answer one slide. You can add two or more slide in one presentation and you can display, or you can send the link with student and students can start to answer the questions. So I hope you understood how to use Mentimeter. Thank you. Have a nice day.